Welcome back amigos to another video of Engineer's Review. This video will be around a premium gaming laptop Lenovo Legion Y530. Legion Y series laptops come with sleek, refined exteriors and enclosing ultimate gaming capabilities within. This laptop promises to deliver the ideal balance between epic gaming performance and practical portability. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the review. The Legion Y530 has clean looks and it weighs around 2.3 kgs. It comes with simple black glossy body and you will notice there are Legion branding behind the display that also glow up, which really looks awesome. But even in this price range, plastic is used all around. Now talking about thermal design, the larger separated dual fans new thermal system does a decent job of preventing overheating, but sometimes it gets really loud and noisier. The keyboard deck gets a smooth soft finishing that feels really nice and premium, but it can easily get smudges. Also keyboard gets a white backlit that looks fine. Main keys are proper sized and spaced, but the trackpad is quite disappointing because it is really small for a 15.6-inch laptop, and because of buttons it is quite congested. To provide a clean and sleek look, Lenovo moved most of the parts on the back like one USB 3.1 Type-C, mini DisplayPort 1.4, USB 3.1 Type-A, HDMI 2.0, RJ45 port, charging plug and a lock slot. Also there is one USB 3.1 port on each side along with headphone jack on the left side. Sadly, there is no SD card reader and disk driver. Lenovo has used two Harman-tuned speakers on the bottom of Legion Y530. They are decently loud and pretty good in terms of quality as well. We didn't notice any obvious distortions or vibrations, not at higher volumes. The Lenovo Legion Y530 is equipped with a 15.6-inch IPS anti-glare matte panel display with a full HD 1080p resolution, which seems promising. Narrow bezels give the laptop a neat and professional look, but you may not get satisfied with the color accuracy, which we have tested with the sRGB and Adobe RGB, which comes out to between 50 to 65% with brightness of 246 units. If you are a content creator or want to play games for high resolution, it might look a little dull. Lenovo puts an average quality screen refresh rate of 60Hz that may not be acceptable in this price range, but 144Hz is also available in its higher versions. Talking about the webcam, it is of HD 720p resolution, but its placement may bother you because it is beneath the screen and it seems more like a nose cam. Legion Y530 runs on Intel Core i7-8750H hexa-core processor with a clock speed of 2.2 GHz with a maximum turbo boost of up to 4.1 GHz. It can execute up to 12 threads simultaneously with 9 MB cache. This laptop includes 8GB DDR4 RAM with 128GB SSD plus 1TB 7200 RPM HDD of storage and has enough power for gamers, programmers as well as content creators who need to run power-intensive softwares. However, the short SSD capacity storage may be an obstacle, but the strongest selling points of the gaming laptop is that you can configure your laptop according to your needs. Like other gaming laptops, this one also offers you the features of upgradability like an extra slot for M2 PCIe SSD and expandable 16GB of DDR4 RAM. To perform all graphical tasks, Legion Y530 comes with 4GB VRAM and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics card, which is the base version in Legion Y series, but it is enough capable to run most of the games, but struggles to run heavy games at high resolutions. Games like GTA 5, PUBG at 1080p resolution gives just above 40 FPS, but don't worry. Most of the similar GPU laptops hit similar range of FPS between 35 to 50 on low to high settings. More games like Fortnite hits about 30 to 40 FPS in the very high graphics settings. And if we talk about the performance in heavy softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro, AutoCAD, Filmora, Photoshop, we didn't notice any problem. But we really recommend to spend little more for 1050 Ti version. That would increase the overall performance by 10 to 15% with ease. Battery backup of the Lenovo Legion Y530 is decent for an entry-level gaming machine. There's a 52.5 Wh 3-cell battery under the hood, which is average for this class. Even with the lower brightness screen, you shouldn't expect more than 3 to 4 hours in a normal usage on a charge. We got just 50 to 60 minutes of battery backup while running games on medium to high settings. This laptop comes with a standard 135 Wh power brick and no quick charging, so a full charge takes at least 2 hours. Now let's get to the final verdict of the product. First, let's start with pros. It feels premium with simple, clean and compact design, excellent performance with demanding loads and games, good upgradability options, and good cooling performance. Some of the cons are 60Hz display with not so promising color accuracy, small touchpad with old physical button design, and a low battery backup. At last, the Legion Y530 comes under one of the better all-round notebooks and entry-level gaming laptops out there. The compact size, simple design, excellent performance and nice keyboard are its main selling points. But potential buyers would also have to accept some demerits, like an only average quality IPS screen and all plastic construction, as well as noisy fans that could be annoying sometime. Hence, our channel rate this product 3.5 stars out of 5. It is priced at 95,000 rupees, but the prices changes over the time. And for your convenience, we have given both Amazon and Flipkart links in the description box below. So guys, that's all from our side. Please let us know in the comment will you prefer this laptop or not. And also, you can suggest us on what product we will come up next. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel Engineers Review. And for more tech information, you can follow us on Instagram. Bye bye. Take care.